Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Nothing Phone 1, and in this video we would like to show how you can check the mobile data usage on this device. Alrighty, so first of all open up the Settings app. In here go for the Network and Internet category. After that go for the SIMs. At the SIMs page choose what particular SIM card you would like to check the mobile data usage for. I'll go with this one for example. And in here, as you can see at the dedicated SIM card page, you'll be able to learn the total mobile data used as well as how many kilobytes, megabytes or gigabytes has been used in particular. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.